Be creative, walk around your house, find something where you can attach the cable. I picked the coffee table. So go ahead, you attach it to it, nice and snug. Grab that, keep it to the center of your body. Bend your knees, stick your butt out, keep your chest up, okay? Stick your butt out as much as you can to keep your back nice and straight. Go ahead, bend forward. You want to be almost parallel to the floor. Get your arms back, elbows inward, as close to your body as you can. Keep your wrists nice and straight. You don't want them up or down, straight and locked. Abs are tight. Here we go. Go ahead and lock it out. You want to blow out on the way back, breathe in on the way down. Now, you want to know how far down you come, right? You come to a 90-degree angle right there. When you come past the 90-degree angle, tricep starts to rest. We don't want to rest. We want to hit it hard. We want to kill it. Here we go. His knees are bent. He's not swaying around back and forth. His neck is nice and tight. He's looking straight.